Guys, my friends ask me, Deepak, why do you keep changing your bikes every now and then? Why can't you keep one bike forever? So it's like this, when somebody uses it, that possessiveness, whatever you have towards your bike, that diminishes, that goes. So same thing had happened to me. So that's the reason, I've been selling it, whichever bike I had owned in the past. But I'll make sure that the bikes which I have now, so I won't give it to anybody because see, not everybody are like that, but I am very possessive when it comes to my bike and my car. So I don't like to share it with anybody. So that's the reason, in the past I've been changing bikes quite frequently. So guys, my friends especially and my cousins who knows me well, and they all think that this guy will never keep the bikes or the car forever. He keeps changing. No, that's not the case this time for sure. I may buy big bikes in the future, but I'll make sure that whatever I have right now, I will not give it. Well, now in some time I'll take you all to my room where I have kept all my riding gears. So I'm going to show all the riding gears that I have and how much money I have invested on it. Well, see you. Well, as I said in my earlier video that I'm going to take you to my room and I'm going to show you the riding gears, what I use. Yes, now I'm in my room. You can see this is the view of my room. It's very, very dirty, guys, because I also work from home like this. Well, let me show you my riding gears first. Crampster. This I got it the year 2013. Trust me, this is very sturdy and I paid around 5,500 for this, but this is worth a jacket. This is also one of my favorite jackets company. I have used it thoroughly when I was having my Z800. And this is Mototech Scrambler. Right now I'm using this particular jacket for all my ride on my ZX6R. This is very comfortable jacket and worth the money what I've paid for it. This is my touring jacket. I use this Mototech touring jacket when I ride my Himalayan. I've used it to Goa, Riders Mania, and many times I've gone to my native Shimoga. At that time also I've used this jacket. And this is the riding pant, which I got it along with I got it as a set. This pant is also very, very sturdy, worth the money, I can say. Both this riding jacket and pant, I think both I paid around 17,000 for the set, but trust me, it's worth the money. It's worth the money. The quality is absolute bang on. It's very tough. You can see, you can touch and feel the quality of the jacket. It's very tough, built for purpose, touring, That was the panniers of my Himalayan slate. One pannier I'm using it as a desktop for my laptop, and these are the riding gloves which I use. It's from Rhinox, Alpenstar, or Danny's. These are all very simple ones, but as long as you're comfortable in it, it should be good. I have not spent on gloves too much as I've spent on other gears. Let me see, right now I'm comfortable with Rhinox. Tomorrow, if I have money, definitely I'll go for a good one, costlier one. And let me show you something. This is my guitar. Well, I used to play guitar a lot 10-15 years back, and this is AGV which I use. This helmet costed me for about 17,000, and you can see Sena which is mounted here, Sena SF4. This model is pretty good, has a better clarity of sound and connectivity when compared to the SMH5 which I have in my LS2 helmet. And you can see the mount here, this cam mount right in front of the helmet. So I paid around 16,000 for the helmet and around 16,000 for the Sena SF4. Yes, SF4. And let's see, what do I have here? Yes, it's my helmet, LS2. This I use it when I ride my Himalayan. This is a perfect adventure riding helmet. You can see I have mounted this is the cam mount which I have mounted over here, which gives me clear clarity of the road. And this helmet I paid around 10,000, I guess. Yes, 10,000. Then I also have Sena mounted on this helmet. You can see Sena. Yeah, now it's clear. This is pretty comfortable helmet and of a good quality. These are my riding boots, Skoi Co, which I paid around 7,500. These boots are really good. So put together I have around the gears worth rupees 92,000 rupees as of now, 92 to 95,000 rupees including hand gloves. But people ask me whether it is worth. It is. It has saved me when I met with an accident in 2018 during Riders Mania ride. And not only that, you feel so very relaxed and composed while riding, and you'll have confidence when you have these gears on you. Without these gears, I don't recommend. Nobody should be riding a long distance. Hand gloves, safety jacket, riding jacket, helmet. These three are must. On spending another 50-60,000 on your riding gears, so please, it is worth having riding gears, trust me.